Welcome to this video, Battery Types Compared. Here, we will provide a complete guide to 6 main battery types and help you determine which one is right for you. Batteries are essential in various aspects of modern life. They power cars, vehicles, mobile devices, and industrial machinery. Batteries are also critical for home power backup and storing solar energy. We will compare 6 main battery types: lead-acid, lithium-ion, nickel-MH, alkaline, lithium-iron, and the emerging solid-state. Note their typical use cases and lifespans, ranging from 3 to 20 years. The lead-acid battery has a 6-cell, 12-volt structure and offers an affordable 3to 5-year lifespan. It is best for cars, UPS systems, and solar applications, offering 97% recyclability despite being heavy. The lithium-ion battery operates at 3.6 to 3.7 volts per cell and lasts 5 to 10 years. It is light and ideal for phones, laptops, and EVs, though its cost is medium to high, and it is heat-sensitive. Nickel metal hydride, or NiMH, batteries operate at 1.2 volts per cell with a 3to 5-year lifespan. They are affordable, medium weight, and best for cameras, toys, and remotes. Their eco rating is better than alkaline. The alkaline battery is a non-rechargeable single-use option, providing 1.5 volts per cell. They are the cheapest available, offer a 5 to 10-year shelf life, and are best for low-drain devices like remotes and clocks. They have a low eco rating due to waste. Lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, is a highly stable and safe lithium type with 3.2 volts per cell. It offers a long lifespan of 10 to 15 years, is high cost but worthwhile, and is ideal for solar, EVs, and off-grid use, boasting an excellent eco rating. Solid-state is the battery of the future, with a voltage of 3.8 to 4.0 volts per cell and a 10 to 20-year lifespan. It boasts the highest safety rating due to no liquid electrolyte. It is currently very high cost and an emerging technology best suited for EVs, medical, and defense applications. Comparing the voltage per cell, solid-state batteries offer the highest at 4 volts, followed by lithium-ion and LiFePO4. Lead-acid provides 2 volts per cell, while alkaline and NiMH offer lower voltages. In terms of lifespan, solid-state and LiFePO4 batteries are the longest-lasting options, offering up to 20 and 15 years respectively. Lithium-ion and alkaline offer about 7.5 years, while lead-acid and NiMH typically last around 4 years. Cost varies significantly. Alkaline and lead-acid batteries have a low upfront cost. NiMH is medium. Lithium-ion and LiFePO4 have high upfront costs, but lower long-term costs. Solid-state is currently very high in upfront cost. Regarding weight and safety, lead-acid is very heavy and moderately safe due to acid. Lithium-ion and alkaline are light, with lithium-ion being moderately heat-sensitive. LiFePO4 and solid-state are the safest, with solid-state being very light. For eco-friendliness, lead-acid has high recyclability but is toxic. LiFePO4 and solid-state offer the best eco ratings due to low toxicity and high recyclability when determined. Alkaline has a low recyclability and is non-toxic. If you're a car owner, lead-acid is reliable and affordable. For home UPS or solar, LiFePO4 offers long, safe life. For remotes and clocks, alkaline is cheap and easy to find. For high-energy applications like EVs, consider LiFePO4 or solid-state for maximum safety, lifespan, and energy density. This quick comparison summarizes the key differences in voltage, life, cost, weight, eco-friendliness, and rechargeability for all 6 battery types. Remember, every battery has a purpose, so choose wisely based on your needs, budget, and environmental considerations.